Hey guys!
Hi guys!
This is our first YouTube video, so if we could get like 5 subscribers by the end of this week, that'd be great.
And you can get stickers.
My name is Lily, I'm 13, and his name is Finley, he is 3. So what we're basically doing...
And you can also get stickers.
Also, what we're doing is we're going to be doing crafts, and we're also going to be doing some challenges. We might be doing slime, I don't know, maybe. So what we have today is we're doing the unleaky bag challenge, and Finley also wanted to do these homemade jelly fruits, so I was like, okay, whatever. Okay, so while Finley, here you go, you can try the unleaky bag challenge first. So what you do is you can follow this at home too. So what you do is you stick a pencil through the bag and try to make it not leak.
We have 4 poils.
Finley. Oh, you're making it leak, Finley.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to try a jelly fruit. I hope this doesn't pop all over.
Oh, look, I got it.
I'm scared. This is gonna pop all over me. I'm trying this after. I'll try the unleaky bag challenge. Finny. That one went wrong. Okay, I hope I can do this. Ready?
I'm going to do a different one.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
I'm going to do this one.
Okay, ready? 1. Finley, scoot over. They can't see me. 1, 2. Oh, it's not leaking. Finley, you have to do it pretty fast. Good try, Finley. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to pull out the pencils. Oh!
I think this one is not the leak.
Okay, okay. These are literally leaking all over. Okay, now I'm going to try a jelly fruit. I'm very scared this is going to pop.
Oh, look, I got it. It did leak.
Oh, you did. Good job, Finley.
It's not leaking.
So,
Yes.
yeah, these are just the homemade ones because everything is closed. Ready? Oh my God! It won't. It will not.
Oh, now it's leaking.
That actually surprisingly did not leak all over me. Let's try this one.
It's leaking.
Okay, you just have to twist it a lot. Oh, I feel like it's gonna pop out the other end. No, Finley, you bite this one. No, it's gonna pop out the other end, I know it.
I knew it. I knew mine was good.
Oh my God. That literally leaked all over me. Oh my God, it came out my nose. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, that came out my nose. Oh my God.
All of these didn't work.
Oh my gosh. Some of them actually did work, Finley.
Yeah.
Yeah.